The word of the day is gobble. The spelling is G-O-B-B-L-E. It is a verb meaning eat hurriedly and noisily. Sentence: don't gobble your food. Once again, the word of the day is gobble. The word of the day is grocer. The spelling is G-R-O-C-E-R. It is a noun meaning a person who sells food and small household goods. Sentence: that grocer never overcharges. Once again, the word of the day is grocer. The word of the day is grumble. The spelling is G-R-U-M-B-L-E. It is a verb meaning complain in a bad-tempered way. Sentence: why grumble at me about your own stupid mistakes? Once again, the word of the day is grumble. The word of the day is garage. The spelling is G-A-R-A-G-E. It is a noun meaning a building in which a car or other motor vehicle is kept. Sentence: don't forget to put the car in the garage. Once again, the word of the day is garage. The word of the day is generous. The spelling is G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. It is an adjective meaning kind towards other people. Sentence: they made a generous donation to charity. Once again, the word of the day is generous. The word of the day is gesture. The spelling is G-E-S-T-U-R-E. It is a noun meaning a movement of part of the body to express an idea or meaning. Sentence: the meaning of his gesture was clear. Once again, the word of the day is gesture.